Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. आज हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे डेली रूटीन वैक्यूबलरी विद सेंटेंसेस की। दोस्तों वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। सो लेट स्टार्ट लेसन। वेक अप। आई वेक अप एट 5 AM every day. I wake up at 5 AM every day. Make bed. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. Brush teeth. He brushes his teeth every day morning. He brushes his teeth every day morning. Wash face. I wash my face with soap and water. I wash my face with soap and water. Take a shower. He takes a shower every morning. He takes a shower every morning. Get dressed. He get dressed every morning. He get dressed every morning. Start work. He starts work at 8 AM. He starts work at 8 AM. Take a break. We take a break at lunchtime to relax. We take a break at lunchtime to relax. Have lunch. I have lunch with my friends. I have lunch with my friends. Finish work. He finishes work at 5 PM. He finishes work at 5 PM. Water plants. He waters his plants every day. He waters his plants every day. Learn new. He learns something new every day. He learns something new every day. Watch TV. I watch TV every evening. I watch TV every evening. Plan day. I plan my day the night before. I plan my day the night before. Clean room. She cleans her room every week. She cleans her room every week. Sets goals. She sets goals every month. She sets goals every month. Read books. He reads our books every night. He reads our books every night. Sleeps. He sleeps for 8 hours every night. He sleeps for 8 hours every night. Exercise. I exercise at the gym every evening. I exercise at the gym every evening.